Hello everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube tutorial on makeup for regular ass people. Oh, my little drinky drink, gotta have one of those. So this look is kind of more of an evening look. If you're going on a last minute date night, it's super easy, and I'm using ColourPop's Midnight Masquerade palette, which is really cool because it's Disney princess themed. So first I'm going to take that shimmery tan and apply it right under my eyebrow. That's going to give a nice little shimmer and kind of define that area. Same thing on the other side. What I love about ColourPop is their eyeshadows are super potent. So you don't have to use a lot of product for it to go a long way. Now using the same palette, I'm going to use this really pretty green shimmery color and apply it all over the eyelids, starting at the base of the brow bone. You can see it's super bright, super fun. Great for a night on the town, going out with your girls, going out with your man. And it's super easy. Just want to blend that in all over the eyelid. And when you're blending like that, you don't need to use a lot of eyeshadow. Just get just enough on the brush and then continue to swipe it through your entire eyelid. Same thing on the other side at the base of the brow bone. That's mainly where you want to get it, is the base of the brow bone, because that's where it's going to show the most. Just getting a little more on this side. It was a little uneven. There we go. Touch, touch, touch. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now that we have the basic steps out of the way, we're gonna do this next part in the corner of the eyelid. And I'm using a brush that's actually from a Naked palette, and I just kept the brush because I loved it so much. So now I'm using this dark blue color from the same palette I've been using. I'm just gonna apply it to the corner and bottom part of my eyelid for some definition in that area. So we're kind of creating an ombre effect from the outer part of the eyelid, and then it gets lighter as you go in. And you want to blend really heavy for this because you want it to kind of seamlessly flow from one color to the next. We're doing the same thing on the opposite side, kind of right under the brow bone on the outer part of your eyelid. So you can see I'm not going into that inner corner at all. So now we've got this kind of sea green, deep blue effect. It's going to be really pretty. All right, and there's our definition onto the last step. Oh, just kidding. We're going to do a little more blending. And now. Okay, we are now wrapping up this look with this beautiful heavy glitter, kind of whitish silver color. And this is going to go on the inner corners of our eyelids. This is going to highlight that inner corner and give us some definition. Also kind of make the eyelashes pop as well. I love the glitter effect. And I'm using my finger because it's best for the heavier glitters, the more coarse glitters. They stick a lot better because of the oil in your skin versus using a brush. So I prefer to use my finger. You also have a little bit more control over where the glitter goes that way. I'm loving this mermaid look. Like I said, super cute for date night. An up close view of all the different colors and dimension there. Oh, and my mouth. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, it's my first YouTube video, so try to give me a little grace on the camera work. I am working on it, but I'm just a regular girl that just enjoys doing makeup. And so this look was called Mermaid Tail. I'll be posting some more natural looks as well. I hope you had as much fun as I did watching it. Thanks so much.